162 Nigerians stranded in Libya have voluntarily returned to Nigeria. The returnees, comprising 132 males, 27 females and 3 children, arrived at the Murtala Muhammed International Airport in Lagos aboard an Airbus A320 aircraft. 2 of the returnees, who were in critical condition, were immediately taken to hospital for medical attention. Well, according to the National Emergency Management Agency, the return was facilitated by the International Organization for Migration in collaboration with the Swiss government and the Nigerian embassy in Libya.
There are Nigerians that were stranded in Libya, and that's what brought IOM in, and through Swiss government, their trip here was funded. Well, the role we are playing now is to receive them, profile them, give them some reception, and then dispatch them to their various destinations. We already have an arrangement at the pilgrim camps where they will eat, wash, rest, and then we arrange transport for them to their various destinations. We are talking with the state emergency management agencies who will receive them and then link up them with their families.